Customs administration led by CUPIA is driving a strong economy and an innovative future. CUPIA's top-notch technologies make society more transparent and secure. Shared growth sought by CUPIA contributes to the growth of our partner countries. We, CUPIA, is a leader in customs administration solutions. Custom UNI-PASS International Agency, CUPIA. Journey of digital transformation. CUPIA is a public organization which was established in 2006 under the umbrella of the Korea Customs Service. In 2008, CUPIA began operating UNI-PASS, Korea Customs Electronic Customs System. In 2010, CUPIA was designated as the official operator of UNI-PASS by the Korea Customs Service, and it has since remained completely devoted to ensuring that trade logistics in Korea are processed without any disruption. Transparent operations and recognized expertise. CUPIA operates and maintains UNI-PASS 24/7 all year round, which helps reduce cost and increase tax revenue by automating a variety of tasks online, including import and export declaration, cargo inspection, and tax payment, while offering convenience and saving time and cost by handling inspection and quarantine via one-stop single window. Quick and accurate troubleshooting. CUPIA operates the UNI-PASS Technical Support Center to provide customer services to users of UNI-PASS system and preemptively monitor any potential inconvenience to support troubleshooting swiftly and accurately. Globalization of digital transformation. CUPIA provides customs administration solutions tailored to partner countries by implementing UNI-PASS system overseas and offering consulting services. CUPIA offers customs administration modernization services to 39 countries across the globe, including approximately $250 million worth of UNI-PASS overseas development projects, spanning over 10 countries. CUPIA's R&D Center also conducts research and development by incorporating the latest technologies into customs administration. Custom UNI-PASS International Agency, CUPIA. CUPIA will continue to make its best effort to lead customs administration and grow together with customers by ensuring the stable operation of UNI-PASS and disseminating the system globally with its top-notch technologies. Global leader in e-customs. Custom UNI-PASS International Agency, CUPIA.